Welcome to our channel. If you want to detox safely at home and support your body's natural cleansing processes, follow these step-by-step guidelines. Step 1. Increase your water intake to 8 to 10 glasses daily to help your kidneys flush out toxins effectively. Step 2. Eat a whole foods diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while eliminating processed foods, alcohol, and added sugars. Step 3. Add fiber-rich foods like beans, lentils, chia seeds, and leafy greens to support healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Step 4. Include liver-supporting foods like cruciferous vegetables, garlic, beets, and green tea in your daily diet. Step 5. Get regular exercise for at least 30 minutes daily to promote circulation, sweating, and lymphatic drainage. Step 6. Get adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night to allow your body time to repair and regenerate. Step 7. Reduce stress through yoga, meditation, or deep breathing, as stress can impair your body's detoxification processes. Step 8. Avoid extreme detox products or fasting protocols and consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have health conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.